Hello everyone, welcome to AGWU Academy. Today we are going to see how to add to path MySQL server, and we have already uploaded the how to install and set up MySQL server. If you haven't watched it, please go and watch, and link is given in description of that video. So let's start. Open search bar and open control panel, then system and security, then click on system, click on advanced system settings, then environment variables, and in system variables click on path, edit, new path, and go to the C drive, program files, and search for MySQL, and here it is, and MySQL server bin folder. Copy the path, then new path, paste the path, okay, then click on OK, then open command prompt, version, to see the version of MySQL server, and then MySQL -root -me, and enter the password, then show databases, don't forget semicolon, and here it is. Yeah, this is all for today. If you have any doubt, please write in comments. We are happy to solve it, and thank you again for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you again in next video.
Our social media accounts. You can follow and subscribe us on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you. Happy learning.